Tet, or Vietnamese Lunar New Year, is the most important and popular holiday and festival in Vietnam. It is the Vietnamese New Year, marking the arrival of spring based on the Chinese calendar, a lunisolar calendar. Tet is celebrated on the same day as Chinese New Year, though exceptions arise due to the 1-hour time difference between Hanoi and Beijing, resulting in the alternate calculation of the new moon. In the period leading up to Tet, the country is abuzz with preparations. Guys on motorbikes rush around delivering potted tangerine trees and flowering bushes, the traditional household decorations. People get a little bit stressed out and the elbows get sharper, especially in big cities, where the usual hectic level of traffic becomes almost homicidal. Then, a few days before Tet, the pace begins to slow down, as thousands of city residents depart for their ancestral hometowns in the provinces. Finally, on the first day of the new year, an abrupt transformation occurs. The streets become quiet, almost deserted. Nearly all shops and restaurants close for 3 days. In the major cities, streets are decorated with lights and public festivities are organized which attract many thousands of residents. But for Vietnamese, Tet is mostly a private family celebration. On the eve of the new year, families gather together and exchange good wishes and gifts of lucky money. In the first 3 days of the year, the daytime hours are devoted to visiting, houses of relatives on the first day, closest friends and important colleagues on the second day, and everyone else on the third day. Many people also visit pagodas. The evening hours are spent drinking and gambling or chatting, playing, singing karaoke, and enjoying traditional snacks and candy. Thanks for watching this episode of VideoVoyage.TV. If you like this video, please subscribe to get our daily updates. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments section below. See you next time.